Welcome back to Biswas Dancefloor with another dance tutorial. My name is Harahari Biswas and today's lesson is Arabic Kuthu hook step tutorial. After watching this Thalapathy Vijay dance step tutorial, you will learn how to dance like Thalapathy Vijay. So watch the full video of Arabic Kuthu hook step tutorial. Let's start. Open your hand just like me, and it's circling from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Clap like that. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap. Just jacking your body. Shaking your body, shaking, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. Okay, got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, next step. Like that. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Continue with your hand. Okay? Now, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Just it. Okay. Okay. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, hope you have enjoyed this Arabic Kuthu hook step tutorial. So please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.